Your term of office ends in, what?
2022.
2022. You've said the Constitution prevents you from standing again. Are you going to try and seek to change the Constitution? Now, on your birthday, a simple yes or no will do on that one.
No.
And when anybody says, oh, we want you to stay, we want you to stay, you'll say, no, the Constitution says it. I'm not having a third term.
Not interested in a third term.
Didn't ask you whether you're interested. If asked, would you serve?
No.
That's a clear no?
No.
You sure?
Absolutely.
You're not going to do a Mike Bloomberg and suddenly change the law?
People are talking about constitutional change, but they're talking about constitutional change not necessarily because they're desirous for the president to seek a third term. They're talking about constitutional change because of issues related to the costs of running this new constitution, etc., etc. That's the issues that are on the table.